Welcome to my channel. Like and subscribe my videos. Thank you. And press the bell icon for notifications. So today we will discussing about how to use Python in mobile. For that you will go to Play Store and search PyDroid. You will download this and some extension like PyDroid report, these ones and this ones and this one also. This is total 500 MB in size. When you open it, you can run any code. So I will not writing a code because it's too long. So I will run a example like of something Kiwi GUI, graphic user interface. So I will use Kiwi hello world program. Open, run. It will take some time. You see it will running perfectly like. So it will print like in terminal here. Thank you.